Can't live with everything I've lost because love will come to save us. So save us. Wake your soul with love in the morning. Feed your soul with love till the evening.
Good morning, miners. Welcome to the Daily Diggins.
Tis the morning.
Tis the morning.
All right, today is Student Congress, so all Student Congress representatives, please report to the Science Lecture Hall immediately following this reading of today's bulletin, please.
The Mountain Bike Club packets are due by October 11th. Don't delay. Please make out checks to YBONC. As Hopper from Bugs Life would say, let's ride.
College and Career Night will be held October 8th. All juniors and seniors, as well as their parents, will want to attend this informative evening of workshops and exhibits beginning in the cafeteria at 5:30 p.m. Schedule is posted online under guidance and counseling.
Show your school spirit. Stop by the student store during lunch or passing periods to buy an Ooh Ah You Wish You Were a Miner t-shirt for $20, cash or money order only. Current Nevada Union students who wear an Ooh Ah shirt and bring their current student NUID to our home sporting events will receive a discount on football, basketball, volleyball for all the years you are an NU student. Remember, you must bring your current NU student ID card and the shirt to receive the discount.
Yearbooks. Order your books in the student store before school passing periods and at lunch. Current prices are $90 without an ASB sticker and $80 with an ASB sticker. Name engravings for an additional $5. Don't delay, there's a limited supply. Cash or money order only. Prices increase after October 11th.
ASB stickers are $30 in the student store before school passing periods and during lunch. Receive discounts on your yearbook order, dances, and most sporting events. Don't delay, save money. Cash or money orders only accepted. All right, miners, that's the Daily Diggins. Have a fantastic day and go Miners!
I love you.
So save our soul.